DNA and Ambivore Organics bring to you Rajata Bhasma Liquid, Ayurvedic safe sanitizing solution. खुद के साथ सुरक्षित करो रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. The innovator of this technology is Professor Dr. Kattesh V. Katti, who is closely associated with University of Missouri, Columbia, USA. Has over 50 patents and 175 inventions to his accolade. Rajata Bhasma Liquid is an Ayurvedic liquid disinfectant for safe sanitization of people. It is 100% natural, alcohol-free, non-flammable, non-irritant and non-toxic liquid disinfectant. Rajata Bhasma Liquid is easily soluble in water and can be used for multiple sanitization applications by diluting in water. Sanitization of people 2.5 liters in 100 liters. Sanitization of floors, domestic use 50 ml in 1 liter. Hospitals 200 ml in 1 liter. Laundry and clothes 25 ml in 1 liter. Bathing 30 ml in 1 liter. Vegetable and fruit washing and sanitizing 12.5 ml in 1 liter. Refrigerator 50 ml in 1 liter. Studies conducted at North Dakota State University, USA establish the efficacy of the product against gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria and fungi. There are well-established studies which demonstrate the safety of Rajata Bhasma liquid, oral toxicity, eye irritation and skin patch test studies. Rajata Bhasma liquid is evaluated for its disinfectant efficacy on humans in a disinfection tunnel. Dilution used 1 liter in 39 liters of water. Spraying rate 25 liters per hour. Quantity of test material spread over the human subjects 35 ml of liquid within a time window of 5 seconds inside the tunnel. Results obtained demonstrate that there is a reduction in the bacterial and fungal growth and residual effect is observed for at least 6 hours after passing through the tunnel. Extensive literature on nanosilver establishes its efficacy in prevention of the virus attachment to the host cells. Published articles demonstrate efficacy against viruses, namely human immunodeficiency virus, herpes simplex virus type 1, respiratory virus, monkeypox virus, influenza virus, hepatitis B virus. Rajata Bhasma liquid is safe for oral consumption and tested for treatment of herpes simplex virus after oral consumption. The State Licensing Authority of Chennai has declared Rajata Bhasma liquid as a safe and effective disinfectant. Multiple certifications, Ayush, Halal and BIS exist for the products. A range of existing customers from hospitals, factories, automobile industries, warehouses to banks.